Please subscribe, like, and share.
Worawora Akwantutenten Festival. Now we just what I want to say. I came with Sibites. I'm going to miss you on a day. Pierre Cosso. Say, quite Benny and Yanamone go for the never did come on. Mohuna Ecoso. Mammy, but I first say,
but your family Linda.
Cromanofi.
Firara.
Now, when no first one about Akwantutenten, my baby that. Now, I'm going to say.
Oh, I am fine. You're behind my journey, and I hunia happened in the past. You won't be much senior. You're frequent now, say by much any na. And see next time, no one person Worawora Akwantutenten. It's extraordinary festival, you know. So me expect you be as next year. No say be baswa. Obi abeti mi aba. Sene be ya. Oba be jineni.
Your friend also adding boating.
I'm going to say,
Che.
Maza, me shed near my coso in our rubber cream one more. I'm say, organizers numbers of Okahon, and I'm a boy.
Home, Hacho, make out.
Now, share, then Ama and the Worawora Akwantutenten Festival. I am successful, sir.
Oh, Nyanko Pong, Boom, and I Adam, and Ama. And that day, you might dear na yes, she say in Yanano. I yamai.
And see, I idea every year be a better say, what about ya? And now, so where the money be trouble.
Oh, I feel be October, last Saturday in October. Yabe, and yes, near Jai, Debbie. I feel be I
then I want one day.
Oh, Kemusiwa.
Marty.
Kemusiwa, dear there.
Marty. Tell us, can I see? Kemusi. Obi Ejuchebi. Yeah, I do. At the same. But I say, or trying the Ketwa and for Mount. Now, Oba Worawora Festival. Then, what they were worrying, I say, Worawora Festival.
Because Worawora Festival is tough. I want to mutu ye kasi eware kwane ware ye brave ye bedru ye etin me prefer say me de ma ware e sha Akwantutenten na be ye nhira bebre e de amame enu ti na me de share
so nti ochero den ye expect afi wo ho
mo expect a lot because ochina a tough day, a very great day tomorrow for me. It's more expecting more about me. That's Cindy Lopa.
So, Obi Shawa, I'm going to Moabuchi, our moment to be a festival. I said, I'm going to catch you.
But some more money in Jane, no more proud of Rara. The next coming year, no, more measure because it's a journey that we grandmothers made. It's a tough journey, so we should make it proud of it.
Akwantutenten Festival.
Of course.
Now, we share Akwantutenten Festival and put so many at the bread youth. I won't come one.
Emma be a queer bum. Emma Nijian in Cabom near Dom, my card of 40 me Cabom. Emma Scasam near the Koye. Emma
that was Otoya talk.
Yet, why I talk. You're Tony Pa.
So,
yeah,
and I'm official person. I'm first at the Senate.
Congratulations. Thank you very much.
Welcome. so that the cost.
Ah, me ba Worawora Akwantutenten festival. Me mama fi Worawora nti me ba Worawora and my be witness Akwantutenten festival.
Now we share Worawora Akwantutenten festival now. Need the first time that bad. So what babida?
Yeah, my babida. This is my second time. But another I know you're different.
Different ground, feeling warm pa. Na kophobia mabeto omo ha no. Eye kemo si butes and mabeto omo ha. Omo mayeni ajipa Worawora kom ha. Akwantutenten no. Obi a onti Akwantutenten anase on witness Akwantutenten da no. Next year by this time no. Omu na ketem no Worawora. No be witness Worawora Akwantutenten. Make baby be say. Omo akra na omo ba bia omo hu ye no. Omo nti Worawora Akwantutenten festival no nka. Omo show no. Asem na wo obeka cha mo say na be next year no. Omeba abehwe.
Dia met me aka cha mo say. Benfo say, "Aw, yeti no kwaku anim." Omo a afisi semre omo mbra, nyame mo wa honde no omo mbra, no be witness Akwantutenten festival e wo Worawora e wo Oti region.
That's papa.
All right.
Afisi apaso.
I think go back to here.
Afisi dey say
yes, me chia NUTV4. Mr. Kwamna Biden, me chia. Worawora live. Okay, all right.
Mama, na say.
Oh, normal.
Yaboko.
Nyaminado.
Mama kwa ba so Worawora Akwantutenten festival.
Major so.
Ba jo fi krom one.
Me free her.
Sao.
Ane.
Why your program no want to say?
It's too much. Too much that I can't even explain. I can't even explain about it.
Now, Osha, moment about my festival. I said, I'm a so
they've missed a whole lot. They've missed. That's what I have to tell them. You've missed.
Now, Osha, organizers, I told me to be a money, I told me to be a money, I told me to be a money, I told me to be a money. I said, I'm a festival.
Festival way is something that I 2 times in the middle band at the end of the day is extraordinary. So I expect them to keep it ongoing. Yeah.
The man said every year be a member because nobody will start to say
too much.
I want to buy a piano.
Manumbi.
Kemosi. But that's it.
Mr.
I mean, that's what I'm saying. Your family, Eric, Eric what? I'm saying, yeah, Kemosi. What have you done? Yeah, Kemosi, the Yanni, I am watching more. But Kemosi, can was like that. Kemosi, can was like that. Okay, Kemosi, the same one, I said, Kemosi, BTC. Son, papa, my embema, Yamre won Pemu, a cholesterol, one of free Cassia, who smooth me in Bojumayeno, Kemosi of Unya, a bebo pa. And I say, I can't Kemosi, I tell you, Jinja, Charlie, I tell you, Nakasano, so I only said a charge him, yeah, I swear. That's a Worawora Akwantutenten festival. Oh, yeah, Worawora Akwantutenten festival, dear, say, Yankasa, say, Kemosino, Yajiba Biafa, voter, I mean, Oti region. Yeah, Kemosino, Yabarara Hanfano, Omagia to Mamafono, say, you do it in Omagia to, yeah. I'm some proud sponsors, Worawora Akwantutenten festival, one of the proud sponsors. Amukura festival. It's the moment say every year, piano moment, mobile, and answer when I am big from say for the past 2 years, me and Kasami observing Worawora Akwantutenten festival, no dear. Kemosi, Yajiba Bia, Worawora Akwantutenten sponsor, and I because to the Bia so. Yeah. Now, Osha, next year, no more expectation at the same. Yeah, next year is going to big. It's going to be big. Yeah, seriously. And a big ups to Cobra. Why are there? So Worawora Akwantutenten festival Atum.
From me, Deborah.
Day.
Ba.
My daughter first.
Roots Ba.
Mr. Pound. I don't know.
I try.
Mr. Phone. What do you penny?
I try many penny.
I was here.
Kakra.
Oh, fine. Let's move a come on.
I try if you come on.
Now, when the first time, my witness say, I am Worawora Akwantutenten festival. I say, every year, every year,
witness Worawora Akwantutenten festival.
Now, Mosha, say.
Oh, nice.
Nice.
Saving soon so back. kronim and I try amamrene awane inti yebepɛ sɛ every year bia ɔmo bɛyɛ
na wo hwɛ ɛyɛ Worawora Akwantutenten festival no wo hwɛ mputu obi na de bɛbra Worawora kuro mu anom
bɛma nkɔfoɔ ahu ha ɛbɛma kuro no ayɛ kɛsɛ because yɛyɛ sa yɛbɛnya sika nso a bɛma kuro no atrɛtrɛ memema
ɛno a saa keke ɛno a na ɛfa ne sɛ wobaeɛ ma wo sɛ ani agye mo na mo tam no mu nkɔba dɛde wobaeɛ dɛde wanom wanom dɛn malt baba wo sɛ mo mani mu ani agye obiara ɛkɔba dɛde wanom Cables, yes, cables. Wow. Who do this one cables? It's more in the bottle one. Now we'll shop next year. Then, so next year, we're going to the festival. But next year, artists will be more pound.
Please, Kiddy and Kwame Eugene.
Kiddy and Kwame Eugene. Now, swear.
Worawora Sakwadie.
Exactly. And they do cover. Why? They do cover. Mochele. Why? They be say you. I find Saturday session. Why? Bye. You don't say we worry you.
Vita Samewa, Vita Kamewa,